So without wasting your time, we'll dive straight into the input source of this console. One thing you need to know about Behringer Wing is the fact that the your source is different from your channel. Unlike the regular S32 or M32, that your input is your channel. So on this console is separated. So your where you get your audio from means your source. Where you get the audio from is your source. And we are talking about where you get your audio from. So let's drive straight into that. Now you press your routing. So from your routing, we are on source. Then here we go on local input. So let's talk about this local input first. So this local input, these are the 24 source at the back of this console. So because you have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 24 does not make it channel on Behringer Wing. So this is actually source where you get your audio from. You can have your kick, snare, whatever, just name it, in the source at the back of the Behringer Wing compact. Then you can also have your source from another source, like your auxiliary in, which has 8 input for your auxiliary in. Then you have your AES EBU in, which is 2. Then you have your uh, oscillator, which you use to, in most cases, you can call it pink noise. So that's this one, just in case you want to calibrate your console. So that's another source. Then you have your AES 50. As you can see very well. You have your AES 50. You have 3 AES 50, just like I told you before in my previous video, that you can connect 3 stage box to this console. So you have AES 60A, so which can allow you to control 48 input, just in case your AES 50 allows you to do that. But basically, you want to connect your stage box. So your stage box has 32 in, 16 out. So on this one, your stage box will pick from 1 to 32. So your AES 50B, the same thing, 48 input. Your AES 50C, the same thing, another 48 input. These are the sources where you can get your audio from, or your signal. Let me put it that way. You can connect your stage connect. You can also see stage connect. Sorry, stage connect. You have your stage connect to this one. So also 32. Then you have your USB input, USB source. So in this my own case, I'm using USB. I'm using my DAW to send audio into this console. So which tells you that if I play audio from my, as you can see, if I play audio from my DAW, it goes directly into this console. As you can see, those lights coming up. This as a result of the audio I'm playing from my DAW. For those that have stems and all that that you want to add into your project, so you can have this as another source. Then you can also have your source from W Live, which is uh, Wing own way of sending audio. You have your SD card at the back of the console. Then you have your stems. You have your audio inside that you need to use for a project you want to do. So you can actually pick that into uh, into your Wing. So these are the sources. Then you have your USB. You on Wing, your Wing can allow you to have 4 channels into 4 sources. Let me call it that way: 4 sources into the console, and these are the way and user signals like this. And when we get more into this, we'll tell you more about this user signal. But for now, these are the sources that you need to pick your audio from. I hope you get the point. On Wing, there is difference between your source and your channels. So your source are the places you want to get your signal from, which you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 places where you can get your sources from. And this, by the time you do your calculations, this might be summing to around 300 and something plus source where you can get your signal from to Behringer wing compact. Join my next video. Let's talk more about the channels itself.